Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. For today's video, we'll show you how to add Bitcoin to your MetaTrader 5 account. If you want to add Bitcoin to your MetaTrader 5 account, the process is really quick and simple. First, open up the MetaTrader 5 app and make sure you're signed into your trading account. Once you're in, hit the plus symbol at the top. This is where you can find different trading pairs and instruments. Go ahead and type BTC into the search bar. Bitcoin should show up right at the top of the list. When you see it, just toggle it on or add it like so. And now Bitcoin will appear in your MetaTrader 5 account. Just go ahead and go back to confirm. As you can see, it's already there. And that's it. Bitcoin is now ready for you to track or trade within MetaTrader 5. If you want to add other currencies or pairs like USD or anything else, you just have to repeat the same process. Search for it and add it to your account. Thank you so much for watching. We hope this video helped you out. Like and subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos. Thanks.